we're proud to share our most recent 5-star review. Our company's staff works hard to go the extra mile, so these positive reviews are very motivating. And that's what one customer had to say about their experience with our business. It's wonderful to receive positive online reviews like this one. We enjoy sharing them with our team members and customers. It's extremely encouraging and validating. Plus, it's a great testament to our commitment to customer satisfaction. You shouldn't settle for anything but the best, and we would love to have a chance to show you why our customers write these reviews for us. Call us today at the number on your screen or visit us online. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.